In this video, we will show you the qualifications and procedures for requesting a refund for unused postage in the DYMO Endicia system. The USPS has approved the following two ways of requesting postage refunds. If you have a label for a domestic class of service with a package ID barcode, such as delivery confirmation, or you're using a Priority Mail International or Express Mail International layout with the integrated customs form, you qualify for the electronic refund process. You have 10 days to request the refund inside our software program or from your account page on Endicia.com. In this case, you do not have to send the labels to us. For all other shipping labels, or if you wish to get a refund for printable postage, you would need to complete the physical refund process. You'll log on to your account on Endicia.com, select the labels or stamps you want to have refunded, and create a refund request form. Sign the form and mail that in with the original labels to DYMO Endicia. You'll have 60 days to apply for a refund in this case. Let's process an electronic refund. All we need to do is to go into the postage log and select the label we want to get credit on. Then we click on the e-refund icon, which looks like an envelope with a red X on it. We then confirm that this is indeed what we want to do by clicking yes, and we're set. The USPS will wait for 14 days, and if the label has not been used, you'll be credited the postage back into your account. Next, we'll request a physical refund. We go onto our account on Endicia.com and go to the Tools menu. Next, we'll select Request a Postage Refund. Now, we will need to find the transaction or transactions we want credit for, and in this case, we'll search on the date that we printed the label. When we find the transaction we want to have refunded, we'll put a check mark next to the transaction in the list, and then click Select Refund Request. Now, we're given the option of adding more labels to this form, but since we have all of our transactions to refund listed, we'll just preview the request by clicking Preview Refund Request. Review the Privacy Act statement, and then we'll click on Submit Refund Request. Keep in mind you will need to print and sign the refund request form, so click on the button to display the form, and then print out the form to send out with the original labels. If you want to check the status of your refund requests, select Refund Request History under the Reports menu. This report will show you all of your refund requests and the status and resolution for each. Some things to keep in mind about refunds. DYMO Endicia is not authorized by the USPS to refund express mail packages that were not delivered on time. You'll need to contact your local post office. If you are printing labels that require a physical refund, don't attach the label to the box if you're not totally sure the label will be used. The USPS does not allow us to issue a refund in these cases if the label has been removed from the packaging. You would need to send us both the package and the label attached to us. When you send in the label, don't write on the label, especially over the postage mark. The USPS requires we scan the postmark to issue the refund. If we can't scan the barcode, we can't issue you the refund. Be careful about the deadlines for submitting refund requests. The post office does not allow us to refund labels after the deadline has passed. If for any reason we cannot refund the postage to you ourselves, you can submit an appeal directly to the USPS. Email us at support@endicia.com for more information. We hope that you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us at 800-576-3279.